Hello there guys, welcome to Dinos Vault. Welcome to another quick fire spontaneous vlog. Guess what? I'm headed to MGB Bajaj for the launch of the Bajaj Pulsar 125 BS6 split seat model. So I'm really excited, and the more exciting news is that I'm shooting this vlog straight out of the GoPro Hero 8 Black that I've borrowed from my friend because he isn't using it. So most of the footage in this vlog will be shot via the Hero 8 Black, and there'll be a dedicated video where I'll be comparing the Hero 8 Black with the Hero 7 Black and sharing which one is better and why. So let's not waste any more time, let's hit the road. I'm really excited. Let's see how the day unfolds.
I know it's a game, I'm not gonna play, but maybe you should do whatever you need to erase me.
Okay guys, another thing to note is that the voice is being recorded straight out of the mic on the GoPro. I'm not using any external microphone jack or adapter. So that's another thing that's really frustrating, is despite spending so much on GoPro cameras, they don't even offer an external microphone jack. So I really hope they consider offering that, because a lot of people use it for motovlogging, and despite that they are shying away from doing that. We get something called a media mod kit now. So again, I think that's pretty expensive, maybe 4,000 5,000 bucks, and you have that kind of a module through which you get a shotgun mic as well. So I don't know whether it's as effective, but anyway, let's head out. It's been a long time since I brought out Blue. There she is. So here's Blue, kind of dusty. Still gotta take her out. Let's warm her up. Really excited to see how the footage comes out, as to whether it's better than the Hero 7 Black. Also, we get this hyper smooth boost technology, which is even more further stabilized than the Hero 7. I gotta admit that the Hero 7 was very good in terms of video stabilization, kind of hyper smooth, almost like a gimbal. This one is further more stabilized with the hyper smooth boost technology. Stay tuned for the full camera test of the Hero 8 Black that will be uploading soon right here on Dinos Vault. So let's get going. I won't talk while riding because the wind noise is going to be crazy.
It's all just a game, you think I'm gonna play, but baby you should do whatever you need to erase me.
Okay guys, so I'm here at the showroom. So gotta sanitize my hands. Temperature check. Yeah, okay. So finally I've arrived at MGB Bajaj, and guess what? We have the bikes ready to be unveiled. The all new Pulsar 125 BS6 split seat model. Bajaj have kind of offered some new features with this, so that'll be interesting to check out. So I'll be sharing my first ride review soon, so please stay tuned for that. But the unveil and the Hyderabad launch of the Pulsar 125 BS6 split seat model is what is coming up next. So let's go ahead with this vlog.
It's all just a